guys, welcome to the next episode of the Artboard. Now, the thing is, a few days back, we had posted a specific kind of design on our Instagram handle, which was trending a few days back, and a lot of people inquired about how we created it. So, here we are with the tutorial for it. And also, talking of Instagram, why don't you go around and check our page? It's really creative and full of engagement. I hope you'll like it. So, anyway, let's get started, shall we? So for starters, we just need a screenshot of the post that you want to recreate and just unlock the background. Okay. And get rid of this post, okay, because that's the part where the subject will go. So I'm just selecting the rectangle marquee tool. I'm going to select and press on backspace. It's that simple. Let me just get the precision done. There we go. We have the basic frame. Now I've selected the ratio 4:5 because that's the longest format that is allowed. So yeah, that's about it. I'm just going to adjust the frame because I just want the first half to be there. So yeah, it's done. So next we will just work on the subject. So I'm going to place my subject here. Rasterize this and just select the subject, that is the guy from this. I'm going to detach it from the background because I want some other background to be here. Yeah, so I'm using the quick selection tool. So I'm just going to add a layer mask to this. And done. I have the subject with me. So next is I'm going to just adjust the size so that it doesn't look this weird. Okay, so next what we need is the ultimate background, that is the sky. So we'll just import it. And there we go. As because it's the ultimate background, it has to be the last layer. Done. Next is just adjust the size, okay. Whatever feels convenient to you, just do it. There's no rule in here. It's anyway imaginary, right? Done. Now it's somewhat okay and we have the main subject here. So a little bit of shadow would do the trick. So let's try that. Okay, so now to add the shadow, what we can do is first of all add a layer above layer 0 and copy the layer mask and move it a little bit to the side. Now what we can do is select the mask, control and press enter. Now just hide this layer. Come to the new layer that you created and fill it with black color. Done. Next, just clip it to the underlying layer. Okay, done again. Now this shadow is a bit too dark for me. So what we can do is, as we know, opacity is there. We can play around. And also, if you think it's too sharp, the shadow, just apply the blur effect. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Select from here how you need it to be. Just whatever suits your eyes and your mind, just go with it. There we go. You can just adjust the position. As you can see, this part is, out of focus, so you can just erase it. There we go. I think we are done. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. And if you liked it, I hope you did, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.